Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into how we can create tasks for the particular company, and by the end, you will have all the insights you need. So grab a seat, hit that like button, and let's get started. So first of all, we have to just click on the CRM option from the left hand side. Here we will get the CRM menus in which we have to just click on the customer section and select companies. So for example, if any company and I want to create a task, just selecting by this one company, now I want to create a task. Just click on the task option from the activity. Now I am giving the task name, that is follow task, and if you want to set an assignee for this task, then you can automatically add here. You can set the deadline, or if any many parameters accordingly you can add. In the CRM, you will see, in the CRM section you will see your company has been already added. Now just click on the add task option. Just like that, you can create multiple options. There is a comment option, activity. So now we have created one activity for this particular company. You can see that is follow up task. Now I am opening this task. Here is the task has been created for this company. So just like that, you can create multiple tasks for multiple companies and you can do your daily work efficiently. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or questions in the comment below and I will see you in the next one. Thank you.